Welcome to Friday's market wrap-up here at Wealth Creation Investing. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist. And what debt ceiling battle, what budget battle? We're already past that, looking at Q3 earnings. For example, GOOG, we're partying like it's 1999. GOOG broke through 1,000. Now, I probably start getting a little bearish on GOOG. That valuation is a little north of what I think it's worth, but hey, and I saw Art Cashin this morning on Comedy Central talking like, you know what, it does feel like 1999 or 2000. These tech stocks are really starting to get pumped up here. I love GOOG. I think it's an $1,100, $1,200 stock by the end of the year, but this ginormous pop on earnings, I might be looking to sell into. So it's starting to get a little overheated in the tech sector from your Netflixes, and the only one that's really not overheating is what? Apple. It's kind of moving sideways and stuck around that 500 level there. Strategically, what's going around in the world? China GDP came in line and better than that 7.5 handle that we saw last time. So GDP at a 7.8 handle in China is relatively good news. I remember a report from Goldman months ago saying, we might see a 6.5. But, well, and of course, China can report whatever the hell China wants. Can we verify it independently? Maybe, but folks, I take economic reports that our government gives us with a grain of salt. Everybody remembers before election the most historic drop in unemployment in 30 years. And then a month later, it's back up to its normal level. So, take economic reports with a grain of salt, especially when they're from China. Fixed asset investment, flat. Industrial production, flat. And retail sales came in a little soft or flat as well. So, not bad news out of China, not super good news, but it still confirms our strategic mindset here at Top Gun Options that China's looking good. And they, along with Japan, are really starting to beat the drum to ditch the dollar as the world's reserve currency. So the damage may be done from this whole debt ceiling and budget battle debate, and the world might be giving us a hairy eyeball about the U.S. dollar and whether or not we deserve to be the world's currency. And I think they have a pretty solid argument. So we're seeing the market, a little bit of a rally today, at least out of the S&P, some draggers on the Dow. But we had a great live trading session yesterday afternoon where I covered one of our recent trades in the primary trade alert model portfolio, a bearish double vertical on the VIX, up another $500 today, nearly $6,300 in a week and a half, 1,300% gain on this trade. That's pretty cool. And yesterday afternoon in the live trading session, I actually put on a bullish double vertical on the VIX. Why? Because that's exactly how you have to trade. Every time we get down to this resting heart rate of about 12 on the VIX, which we're pretty close to right now, the VIX is trading at 1272 as I'm shooting this, it's time to get bullish on volatility. Right up here, we got bearish, 1,300% gain over $6,000. Right here, we got bullish in one of my model portfolios for a $9,100 gain. So, and we've been playing these. This was a Fed meeting, right? That June Fed meeting. This was the next Fed meeting where they kind of faked us out here. But we've been playing this very successfully. So click on the link in this email if you want to watch the replay of the VIX bullish double vertical out to November. Also did an Iron Condor on the XRT out to November, the retail ETF. So click on the link in this email to check out the replay from yesterday, or if you attended yesterday, we still have, as I'm shooting this, we still have a handful of slots left. Go ahead and click on the link, and you can actually purchase your subscription into this trading service that is up. Let's see, as of today, $43,000, nearly $44,000 year to date. That's some pretty good performance. Especially, let's take a look at month to date. How are we doing? This month has been absolutely crazy to trade, and there you go. There's $7,700 in profit right there, and most of it in our VIX trade. Okay, so have a great weekend. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and we'll be back next week with the Monday Market Outlook and our preview and our hard look at earnings. We'll see you.